I'm Maria Nicolau, and I'm part of the technical department of Nitto Hydranautics since 1999, and I'm based in our Barcelona office, and I'm giving support to the customers in Europe and north of Africa.
I'm Ramon Garrote. I'm based in Spain, work for the technical department of Nitto Hydranautics since 2010.
Ramon, is well known the added value that our global membrane division and technical team is offering to customer. Can you detail a little bit about the technical support for a new project?
The initial support we provide is to provide projections for the new systems, and as the system goes ahead, we review the technical documentation that comes from the engineering department of the OEMs, and this includes reviewing the P&IDs, the drawings of the system, and the procedures, the operating procedures. Then, in later stage, if the plant is built, we provide the technical support for commissioning and for the lifetime of the plant. And talking about the projections, Maria, can you explain if we have a tool to do these projections?
Yeah, Nitto Hydranautics has one of the most innovative software. It's called IMS Design, and is cloud-based. It's the world first cloud-based membrane projection software. It empowers the customers to get the flexibility to run membrane projections anytime, anywhere, and from any device. Ramon, I know also you are very experienced visiting customers and supporting them on site. Please detail a little bit your activity when you visit a customer.
Well, I would say one of the first visits we provide to a customer used to be the commissioning visit. As such, we can review the pretreatment as the initial step, but then we assist the loading of the membranes and the first startup. After the first startup, we collect the initial operating data that we use to create a new normalization file that we will use later to follow up the performance of the plant. Later, when needed, we assist the customer for the CIPs, and we ensure that the procedure and the chemical concentration being used for this CIP is proper, so we assure that we are not going to have any membrane damage as the first CIP. And then later on, if needed, we could do troubleshooting of the plant. And talking about troubleshooting, Maria, could you explain forward about this further about this troubleshooting?
Yes, by reviewing the operation data that we get from the customer, and we analyze our normalization file. In case we detect discrepancies between the actual performance of the plant and expected performance, we start an investigation together with the customer. First of all, by email and call phones, and later one visiting the site. During the visit, we revise the pretreatment, we revise the RO operation, mapping conductivity, pressure vessels probing. We collect water sample and we send to our laboratory for analysis, and as a last step, we take elements to analyze in our RGA department in Oceanside, California, or Shiga, Japan. Another part of our activity to improve and to support more and more the customer is releasing for long-term system operation, to release reports based on the operating data and to show to the customer the actual status of the plant, so we can help them to improve the pretreatment, to improve the operation of the RO system, to optimize the replacement of the elements, and to get more and more efficient CIP. So what type of other support you can offer to our customer?
Yes, we do often perform training sessions and seminars with the customer, either through internet or face to face. And these training sessions often consist on training for the IMS design software, on how to use of software to prepare projections. We provide support training for the CIPs and for troubleshooting of the plant. And also we have 5 technicals that are certified for the oil and gas market to travel to the offshore platforms for technical support.